Hey everyone, we have exclusive behind-the-scenes Camp Nou updates. Scaffolds, llamas, cranes, and lift platforms are moving fast across every corner. Stunning panoramic views and live construction action from lateral areas to the tribune. Stay tuned for all the progress, surprises, and details you won't want to miss. We begin in the lower lateral area. The supports have been in place for some time, and work continues. A small table and some equipment are set up. From this vantage, there hasn't been much change since last week. We'll sweep the area to see progress and note materials. In the background, a sack is being removed. Moving up one level, scaffolds remain around pillars. Most pillars need upper part concreted. These scaffolds will allow placement of formwork panels and pour concrete. A small cabin is built here. Being up here offers amazing views of the stadium. Workers are removing protective nets behind prefabricated stands. Once removed, installation of new stands can begin. Prefabricated stands have been transported to Gol Sur and lateral areas. Recently, several stands moved to tribune. Openings for people to exit are formed here and behind the small cabin. Beams and cracks are being worked on by several workers. A lift platform is further down. Movement in this lower area is minimal. No significant changes observed. Supports for glass panels are placed around pillars, several on the right. Work continues on stairs, which reach the second overhang level. The parking ramp has progressed, with more rebar over the white plastic. Work on supports for llamas continues with multiple lift platforms active. Moving to Gol Sur, work on llamas supports continues. Anchors are being prepared for vertical supports. Several anchors have been placed on black beams, with more in progress. Lift platforms are in use, and rebar work continues. From the front, the sector shows impressive progress. Llamas are being placed progressively, reaching the first overhang. Workers are active in the false ceiling area, and the installation continues steadily. Cranes and lift platforms are active, preparing to cover the small gap between sectors. The area is already painted black, looking impressive. The last piece in the background painted yesterday. All areas painted except where first llamas were installed. A crane is moving, and a new prefabricated stand is placed inside the corner. The floor broken last week remains unchanged, with no concrete yet. This may be due to weather, not urgent. Prefabricated stairs and materials are present. Additional llamas and materials stored at the back. A truck has just arrived, possibly carrying glass panels. Llamas for false ceiling are gradually installed. Workers place irons just below beams, supports for glass panels already installed. Behind a blue protective net, supports are clearly visible. Lift platform in corner checks llama supports and access doors for public. The parking ramp progresses. Workers place rebar over white plastic on lower part. A small section on left still needs formwork surrounding ramp. In Gol Norte, the pillar is formworked. 2 lift platforms active each side. Supports for diagonal brackets already placed on all pillars. Additional lift platforms and tower crane active. Lifting prefabricated stands and reviewing llama supports previously installed. In middle Gol Norte, workers active with crane and lift platform. Some yellow materials managed. Compared to normal, activity is higher today. Corner area remains calm. Minimal activity. Noise heard above, but no major changes visible. Tribune area has been surprising recently. Trailers bring prefabricated stands, escalators now fully installed. Workers prepare area for elevators in front of stairs. Some scaffolds remain. Noticeable changes include lift platforms on brackets. Otherwise, calmer than before. Diamond area has plenty of material stored, some for selection. A crane is present, truck arrived, adding more material. Progress here remains to be seen. In the corner, workers place slab irons on lift platform. These irons will support temporary fences. Previously installed supports already in place, same work continues. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates, only here on MegaBuilds Pro.